Are you ready for the exam tomorrow?
Oh, Lisa, I feel so worried.
Why? Did you study?
I thought studying all night is good.
No. If you don't sleep, your brain is tired. Tell yourself, I can do it.
I can do it.
Yes. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. In this video, we have an interesting conversation about how to feel confident before exam. Exams can make us nervous, but don't worry. In this lesson, you will learn simple English conversation, practice speaking, and learn new words to help you feel more confident. So, let's get started.
Hi, Tom. Are you ready for the exam tomorrow?
Oh, Lisa, I feel so worried.
Why? Did you study?
Yes, I studied, but I still feel scared.
Don't worry. It's normal to feel nervous before an exam.
But what if I forget everything?
Then take a deep breath. Breathing helps you feel better.
Maybe I should try that.
Yes. Also, sleep early tonight. A fresh brain works better.
Really? I thought studying all night is good.
No. If you don't sleep, your brain is tired.
Okay, I will go to bed early then.
And in the morning, eat a light breakfast. Don't take the exam with an empty stomach.
Good idea. I like bread and fruit.
Perfect. And remember, think positive. Tell yourself, I can do it.
I can do it.
Yes.
See? You look more confident now.
Thank you, Lisa. You always give me good advice.
That's what friends are for.
One more thing. Should I review notes in the morning?
Just a little. Don't read too much, or you will feel confused.
Okay, I will review only the main points.
Yes, and encouraging. When the exam starts, relax, read carefully, then answer slowly.
That sounds good.
Remember, exams are not everything. Just do your best.
Thank you, Lisa. I feel better now.
Good. Now let's go and prepare.
Yes, let's go.
Okay, you just watch an interesting conversation. Exam is not hard, right? What about you? Do you feel nervous before exams? What do you do to stay calm? Share your answers in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Bye!